Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common tech query: how to open DCM files in 2025. If you're new to this, DCM files are essentially DICOM files, which stand for Digital Imaging and Communications in Medicine. They're widely used for medical images like X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans. Whether you're a healthcare professional or just curious, this quick guide will get you up and running in no time. First off, you need the right tools. In 2025, there are plenty of reliable software options. My top recommendation is Radiant DICOM Viewer. It's intuitive and free for basic use. You can also try free alternatives like OrphanView or even online viewers for quick access. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Download the software from its official website. For Radiant, head to radiantviewer.com and grab the latest 2025 version compatible with your operating system. Make sure it's up to date to handle any new file formats. Step 2. Install the program on your computer. This is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and it should only take a minute or two. Step 3. Launch the application once it's installed. You'll see a clean interface designed for viewing medical images. Step 4. To open your DCM file, go to the File menu and select Open. Navigate to the folder where your DCM file is stored, select it, and click Open. The image should load right away. If you prefer an online option, websites like Micro.com offer web-based viewers. Simply upload your file, and you're good to go. One pro tip. If you're on a Mac, Osirix is fantastic, but it might require a bit more setup. And that's it. You've successfully opened a DCM file. This method works for most cases, but if you run into issues, double-check your file's integrity or update your software. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.